Welcome to Iron Arrows. Okay, so we are switching to cinder block beds. We dug down about 6 or 8 inches and we filled it with cardboard. We put cardboard at the bottom, like quadruple layer, mixed up the dirt that was in here. This was a sunken bed last year. It didn't really work because the weeds came in. So I thought, let's do cinder blocks because our raised beds are falling apart because they're untreated wood. So that was pretty good soil, as you can see. That's not what our soil here looks like. It's very much, this is what it looks like. Very rocky. This is our soil typically. So, and this is actually mixed with some dirt. So, yeah. Anyway, hopefully our potatoes stay put. We already cut up one of them that was over here. But anyway, this is going to be peppers and tomatoes. Not a lot of them probably. I might be able to get 6 peppers in. But the cool thing about this is we found a really long box in the garden and we cut down. It was perfect. We cut lengthwise down it and the size is right here, you can see. So we just put it underneath all of these and we can plant herbs and whatever we want to plant here that will deal with like an 8-inch root system that will like heat, I think, because they're cinder block. They're going to get warm. So could probably even put like small pepper plants. We could do herbs, oregano, like not cool weather herbs, not cilantro or anything like that. But this is going to be so awesome. I could put flowers in there. Really, whatever. We'll just try things out. I'll probably definitely put some parsley because we use parsley daily. And we'll see what else we could do. Some kale later in the fall and all kinds of things. So this is so exciting. I love it. Let me show you my raised beds that are degrading, less than 2 years old. Look at that. I pulled the board down. We were going to replace it, but now I'm thinking we'll just leave this one layer for now. These are our fall crops. I mean, you know, fall and cool weather, spring crops. So I planted these a few months ago. We have cabbage and peas, or those might be beans. I don't remember. But it's mostly cool weather. So turnips and radishes, some cauliflower and broccoli and cabbage, flower, marigold. And then, yeah, this is mostly parsnips and turnips. So I can, you know, this bed will kind of be cleared out in this midsummer for the most part, or at least by August. I'll reconfigure this and replant. So maybe we'll just add some cinder blocks here. But yeah, here's our little, these are pole beans and peppers and some flowers. We need to water that a little bit better. Here's our corn in the back. We just planted that, and I'll do a full garden tour. We've been working a lot, so yeah. Here are potatoes exploding. So give us a like, subscribe, comment down below on new things you're planting or new ideas that you have for your garden this year or new methods. And yeah, I look forward to getting to know you guys. This is Iron Arrows signing out.